Always a voice that tells us never. Always a fear that we won't win. But there's a dream we've had forever. Here's where our stories just begin. Feet on the ground, head to the sky. Let intuition be your guide. Anything goes, push the impossible aside. Ready to run, willing to fight. Cling to the dream you have inside. It's do or die, and the impossible is possible tonight. Always a hurdle that confines us. Always a hill to block our way. Feet on the ground, head to the sky. Let intuition be your guide. Anything goes, push the impossible aside. Ready to run, willing to fight. Cling to the dream you have inside. It's do or die, and the impossible is possible tonight. Whatever dreams we had, may they reveal themselves and show their strength tonight. Yeah. The fear that lives inside us, may it relinquish with the doubts we have inside.
Impossible is possible. It's a 32 count intermediate advanced level nightclub two-step. Let me facing the table. First section we start with the right foot. We're gonna do a quarter turn right with the arabesque. And then we'll do the 3/4 turn right to turn back to the front wall again. We'll do the step, turn, and then the quarter turn with the swing to the left. Also look to the root and look to the left. And then swing to the right, with a look to the right. And then after this one, we're gonna make a heel turn left. And first you make a quarter turn, step down on your left foot, and then hit your right foot like a figure eight to finish your heel turn, and then right foot to the two rock. Cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, wing, behind, side, cross with the left foot swing. Okay, switching with count, so right foot, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. And in the second section, we're gonna do by a modified down the forward way. So you do the cross, side, one extend leg with the left step back and raise up your right foot. And then hitch your right knee, right foot step back, and then square to the left side. And then one extend leg with the right foot forward and right hand push out to the side. And then stay on this corner, left foot step forward with the right foot push out. And then after this one, we're gonna put down our hand and do the rock forward, recover, follow with a 3 heel turn right. So first heel turn right with the right foot forward, and second one with the left foot step back, and then the third heel turn right with the right foot forward and left foot free back. Okay, let's do this section with count. So after the first section, 2 cross right and wing behind, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. And then the third section starts the left foot, do the rock forward, recover, rock back, and prepare your body to left side. And then recover on the right, make a heel turn right with the left step back, and then right foot rock back, also prepare your body to the right side. And after this one, we're gonna do a couple single petty count. First, you recover your weight on your left foot, and then we're gonna let 7, 8 turn left. So it's almost a full turn. You will move from your 1:30 to 3 o'clock. So first, we make a heel turn left, and then 3 turn left with the left foot forward, and then right foot touch, and continue walk around in a circle. Then 3/4 turn right. So you do the quarter turn right, another quarter turn right, and third quarter turn right with the left foot sweep. Okay, let's do this section with count. So after your 3 heel turn, and then start with the left foot, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. And then the final section starts with the left foot, do the cross, side, together, and then single petty count, we're gonna do the bicycle. Weaving with the quarter turn, chest, and then the side rock cross. So you do the cross, side, behind, quarter turn left, and then the chest, step, heel, turn left, and right foot left cross, and then the side rock, left foot side rock, recover, cross, and then that's N.IRE you do from the top. So right away you make a quarter turn aerobats, and then step, turn to facing your new one and continue. Okay, let's do the fourth section with count. So after your 3/4 turn right, and then left weaving we start with the left foot, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and from the top, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and continue. Okay, let's put everything together from the top. So start with the right foot, turn, step, heel turn, quarter sway, and heel turn, and then right foot cross, recover, side rock, recover, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, one next turn with the right foot up, hitch, back, square outside, and one next turn, and then right foot walk, and right foot rock, recover, heel turn, with the left foot hitch, rock forward, recover, rock back, and recover, heel turn, rock back, recover, and heel turn left, 3 turn left, touch, and quarter turn right, quarter turn right, sweep, and cross, side, together, cross, side, behind, turn, step, heel turn, forward, side rock, recover, cross, and from the top, the turn, step, turn. Okay, let's put everything together again. This time is count. So start with the right foot, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and then from the top 1, 2, 3. And then for this dance we have 2 10 and add a wall 2 and wall 5. You just add sway. To come sway to the right and sway to the left. That's the 1, 2. And then for wall 2 and wall 2, you will be facing your 6 o'clock. And then wall 5 and wall 5, you will be facing your 3 o'clock. And for the ending wall, wall 7 will start facing 6 o'clock. And then you do all the way to count 22. So at count 22, you will be facing, and the will facing your 7:30 o'clock. So after you recover, heel turn right back, and recover, that's count 22. And then we're gonna, instead of do the 7S turn left, we will do the 5S turn left to facing the front wall. So first you make a 3S turn left, and then quarter turn left, and rather touch for anything. Okay, let's do the final one together with count. So right foot, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, and then you change to the turn